How to fix WhatsApp calls problem. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp calls problem easily and fast. First thing you wanna do guys to fix this problem is open the settings on your phone, open the apps, go to the apps manager and then open the WhatsApp app informations page. Click here on the data usage, scroll down, make sure that all those options are enabled like this. Go back, click on this stop or force stop running, and then click on the storage, click on clear cache, and there is also an optional step if you want to do it. Click just on clear data, but please, this option is gonna delete all the data on your WhatsApp. That's it guys for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.